That was a nice sunrise to start our day. Kind of easygoing start to our day. I like that every once in a while. Actually, I like that all the time. I know somewhere in there we went on some rides. Grizzly Peak area. We went on to Soarin', which became a favorite ride. So Soarin' got the vote of approval. Went to the Hollywoodland area. We went into the animation building. We sat and watched the screens for a while. I don't think that we sat very long because I know that there were some songs we skipped, but I had fun watching the floor.
Excellent. So, let's all just
We went down to Sorcerer's Workshop, played around with the tools there. That's always fun to do. Oh yeah, this worked. People are coming to see it for a final time. It looked fun, so we went to watch it. Watch the characters walk past and dance. And did a little bit of shopping. When we returned back to Disneyland, one of the first things we had to do was get a mint julep. That was a favorite on this trip. I hadn't taken her through the Sleeping Beauty walkthrough, and plus it's not super loud or crowded or anything. We sat at the castle for a few minutes until the parade was over, and then went to Tomorrowland. We got on the train at Toontown and then took it all the way around, got back to that station. We decided that we wanted to stay on the train. The parade was going on. So we had a bunch of elves and Jesse wave at us. Hi, everybody. We were providing a parade for the parade performers. That was it. It was it wasn't a complete day, but it was very well accomplished.